Hello friends, welcome back to Z Plus Academy channel. Today I am just giving you one question from quadratic equation. Here it is root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This very question can be solved by four methods, at least four methods. That is factor theorem, quadratic formula, completing square method and factorization. Here I am discussing only about the fourth method here, factorization method, right? Pay attention here. If there is any general quadratic problem in root, suppose that here coefficient root 2, here c, if we compare with standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then in factorization, first of all we multiply a and c. We multiply a and c. Find ac. Further, ac is factorized in p and q form such that p and q in sum, that is equal to coefficient of x, that is b. Here you comparing coefficient of x is b, a is the coefficient of x square and c is pure constant, right? Then you have to just apply this. Here a is, first of all just collect your contents. A is root 2, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5 root 2. Here you multiply, first of all find AC. A into C, you find AC. AC is equal to, this will be 5 root 2 into root 2. This is equal to 10. And further 10 is factorized in P and Q form such that the sum of P and Q must be equal to the coefficient of x, that is b, right? Then 10 you can write 5 into 2. Here further you go root 2 x square plus 7 can be written as 5 and 2. It means 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, right? You have to pay attention. If any problem in root is given to factorize, you have to have only master key with yourself. That is one thing. What is that? X is equal to root x into root x. Only this is the key. This is the key. Master key. Master key to factorize any root general problem, means by factorization method, right? Here you can root 2 x square plus 5x plus, here root 2 is given, here is root 2 given and here is 2 given. Then 2 means x. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Only this is the entire master key of any root general problem of quadratic equation. Then you can write 2 as root 2 into root 2 x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0, right? Now taking common is, now pair of, दो करके अलग करते हैं. You pair of this very structure. Here you can take common x here, x, then this become root 2, this become root 2 x plus 5. Again here you are seeing root 2, then you can take plus root 2 as common. Here you get root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, right? Now from both, here you are seeing root 2x plus 5 is common in both, then root 2x plus 5 you take common, you get x plus root 2 in other bracket, that is equal to 0. Further, you know, if there is, suppose that alpha, suppose that if you can take any term, suppose that uh, uh, C and D, suppose that C and D is equal to 0, it means first maybe either C is equal to 0 or D is equal to 0 or C and D both is equal to 0. Here you are seeing root 2x plus 5 into this is equal to 0. It means either this will be 0, so the entire structure that is equal to 0, or x plus root 2 is equal to 0, that's why entire system is equal to 0. If root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, implies that x will be equal to, here 5 will go right hand side, that is will be minus 5, and root 2 here is multiplied, then x is equal to root 2 will divide, then you get first root of this quadratic equation. If x plus, further r, if x plus root 2 is equal to 0, implies that x is equal to minus root 2, right? Then you can see here, if there is any quadratic problem you are facing in root, then the master key is x is equal to root x into root x. You have to take, as you have maintained this 2x in root 2 into root 2, then there will be extremely easy way to solve, to pair off, and to taking common, and to factorize this very quadratic equation, and further very easily you can just evaluate the value, right? It's okay, thank you very much. And this very problem can be solved by even जो है 3 methods more at least: factor theorem, quadratic formula, and completing square method, right? It's okay, very soon I am meeting with new interesting problem, with the new horizons. It's okay, till that time, thank you very much. We are meeting very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.